Looking for space, style, and smart updates in a tucked-away Southeast Grand Rapids location? This one checks every box. With over 2,000 square feet of finished living space, this 3-bed, 2.5-bath home blends mid-century structure with modern comfort. The main level offers an open layout, oversized bedrooms, and an updated kitchen that flows seamlessly into a 3-season sunroom. Downstairs, a newly finished walkout basement adds flexible space for work or play. You'll also find 2 fireplaces, a fenced backyard with mature trees, and recent upgrades including a new furnace, water heater, and fencing. Set on a low-traffic street, you are minutes from Ken-O-Sha Park, Plaster Creek Trail, local schools, and just a short drive to downtown Grand Rapids. If you're after a move-in ready home with character and convenience, this is it.